welcome to my channel. My name is Angela Strong, aka the Truthful Tutor, and I have been a tutor for about the last 10 years, and I am bringing that experience to this channel and showing you just different aspects of being a tutor, different teaching tips, different education tips to make sure your students and your kids understand what they need to know to succeed. The tagline of my whole company is that success begins early. And that's just my idea that the earlier kids are given the tools that they need to succeed, and the earlier that they are trying out concepts, the more likely they are to succeed in life and to get the concepts that they need to know. So if you are looking for teaching tips, for tutor tips to figure out, what in the world a tutor does or like what my day looks like, then this is going to be the channel for you guys. I also work on OutSchool, and I am a teacher author on Teachers Pay Teachers. So you will be seeing a lot of different things with Teachers Pay Teachers and OutSchool and stuff like that. So if this sounds interesting to you and you would like education tips and to see like what my life is like as a tutor and some of the things that I do in order to keep my business running smoothly, and things that you can do to keep your business running smoothly / your household with your kids and your classroom and students and all of that, then please subscribe so you can see all the different videos that I upload and all the different tip videos for that. You can also follow me on any platform at The Truthful Tutor, or check out my blog at thetruthfultutor.com. Anyways, I'm excited to be posting more videos on here for you guys to be able to see some of the things that you can do in your classroom with your kids and with your business. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.